Am I borrowing from the bank? Will I trust friends and family to support me? Am I starting from my savings? Or maybe am I calling Kanayo, for those who understand? To start the business. I am not like those guys. I'm a businessman. I am not one of those guys who will tell you that they sold their watch for 10 naira and they went to the bank to borrow 3,000 naira. So they started their business with 3,010 naira just last year. And 2 years ago, they are now flying jets. Those guys will tell you that when you see a lion, there's no need to be scared. You say when the lion is looking at you, eyeball to eyeball, look at the lion eyeball. As you are scared, the lion is also scared. That's when the lion come close to you, you go close to the lion. As he lift up his left, hold the left leg, grab it, for that's where the strength is. So many people have died. Listen to those guys. They have died, listen to them. You'll be very, very careful with those guys. And they're everywhere, having meetings everywhere. That you don't need money to start with. You don't need money. All you need is trust and mind. Oof. I know if a pastor that moves somebody into marriage, you went in there and no drinks. The pastor will say move. They hide. No money. You must identify the source where you get the money from before you even think of proceeding. Do I have anybody here who have started business by faith? By faith you have started. Huh? Nobody here started business. Is there anybody in business here?
Yes.
So you didn't start by faith?
No.
Ah. You don't have religious people. You didn't start by faith? Okay, none of you start by faith.
No.
It's good. It's good that some of us understand. When you find out where you will get the money from, the next question is, what are my financial projections for the business? Are they realistic? Let me explain that. Please, my what's your name? Jane. If I want to go into, for example, I want to set up a shoe factory, and I discover that all I need from my auntie Jane is 2 million, and Jane has money to borrow me, and she has agreed to borrow me. You know, I like using her for example because she may just shock all of you later. I like with the check. So if they say, if I identify that Jane has money and she has agreed to borrow me 2 million, but she say, Mervyn, this 2 million I'm giving to you, I don't have need for it now. But in 1 year, exactly 1 year, I will have need for it. You have to return it in a year. Before you proceed to take that money, do your financial projections. Let's say after I do my calculations, I discover that putting a 2 million into business, the only amount I can be getting maximum every month is 100,000. Will it still be wise for me to go and take that money? Why?
I mean, the deadline.
Huh?
You can't meet the deadline.
Because you can't pay back. Most people who don't get these funds and work on the street that says it's a scam is their financial projection. You cannot be asking for 10 million to pay back in 7 years, and you tell me that the only money you can make a year is 1 million, and you have 10 million to pay in 7 years. How can you make it up plus interest? So financial applications, the financial projections will either implicate you or support you. And I always tell people, thank God I have my sister Lucky, who's a financial expert, that you make projections on worst case scenario. If you have a restaurant, for example, you don't make financial projections based on Christmas days. If you want to calculate your projections, just assume you have made all your dishes as usual. You have set up, and 10 o'clock you have opened up, trusting customers to come. Then the next year, boom, gunshot, shite and protesting, tear gas everywhere. Everybody take off from their office and they left town. With your contacts, with your skill, on a day like that, how much can you sell? That is projection. You don't start calculating money based on Christmas days, okay, to the people who compare to money. I know some of you are people of faith. But you have to do projections on worst case scenario. Then the day the market blows up, it's an advantage. You are not expecting it, so you can count. You have to be very careful with this part. Most people are in trouble, collected money they can't pay back, and now their long-time relationship is going sour because they didn't do projections. Have you ever been in a situation where you are looking for money so bad? It's a situation as if you don't get the money, you die. You start asking everybody, you ask your Merishara, you ask shoemaker, you ask gate man, started calling everybody for the money. And finally you didn't get it. Did you die? Hmm? Did you die? You still did not get the money. So what I'm trying to say in essence, when it comes to your projections, you don't collect money from people trusting God for opening doors. No. Faith is a plan. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Hebrew 11:1.
Are you still coming?
That is the definition of a plan. Is that not true? What is a plan? Of things hoped for, the evidence of things you have not seen. You are making plan now. Have you seen it? You're only planning for it. So faith is planning. It's a substance, it's not a story. Show me your plan. So when people make me for money and ask us questions, or that's how it's always wicked. You don't do business with emotion. Business is not emotional. It's not a Christian, it's not a Muslim, it's a system. So if you want to remain in it, you have to obey the principles. Are we together? The next question you must ask yourself, I hope we are following, on your feasibility adventure. The next question you must ask yourself is the venture legal? Is it ethical? I just made mention of the pornographic industry and, of course, hard drugs. And I tell you, in this country, you can't do that. It's illegal. Apart from that, it is also important you know daily the present laws governing your business. Our laws in this country are not static. In other words, they change from time to time. Just like if you run a public place and there's no face mask, the laws catch up with you. You are liable to go to jail. Are we together? So you need to first of all know what are the laws saying concerning your business as of today. It's very important. The present law in the land, what is it saying concerning your business? Is there anybody here who is doing a business with a name, let's say for example, Lucky and Associates Limited, and you know that you have not registered it? You lift up your hands there, let's say. You have a place, Kate Palace Hotel, something restaurant, this is also fashion. You know it's not registered. Do you have anybody like that? Okay, so your business registered?
Yes.
What about you, man?
It's registered.
Registered. You too? It's registered? Everybody's business is registered?
No.
Huh? Confess now.
Right now, it's only that fish farming that I'm doing. The other ones I'm registered.
Honestly, you didn't communicate. I didn't understand what you said.
No.
You have a fish farm, but you have no registered. What's the name of the fish farm?
I've not registered that one. That's what I'm trying
Okay,
to say.
and you don't have a name for it.
Yes.
Now, that's the problem with you. I have problem with people who have names
Okay.
that have not registered.
But actually, I don't use the name. But I actually have a name. I've not started using it.
For your business.
Yes.
What's the name now?
King's Flash.
Eh?
King's Flash.
For what type of business?
Household appearance.
Okay, King Splash. Okay, you use the, that's what you name it.
Yes.
But you are not registered.
But I'm not registered, and I'm not using it yet.
She not started a business, so to say.
That
Like
means
open it.
I have a business,
Okay.
but I've not started using the name.
But you have the name.
Yes.
That means the name is not written on the business.
I'm not, yes.
Okay. Premises, not written on the business premises. Yet.
Okay. I have a challenge with people who have names. Maybe because of the rain, most people couldn't come. We would have found out here. Because every week we have the plenty. They have names, they are not registered. Somebody is using Soto Chukwu Incorporated for the past 30 years. When he has for CAC documents, he doesn't exist. Last class I gave an example of when we were growing up. The guy who sells electronics in the environment started selling Panasonic, National, Philip Iron, Sharp. Started advancing to LG. Now he's doing OLED. He has been in business even before we were born. So one of my cousins, who is now in position of power, called me one day and said I should look for Oga Somto. That's his name. From Lucky's place. That Oga Somto was good to us. Of course he was. In our school days. So she said she's in a position of power and I said so they want to supply electronics in their offices nationwide. Right? She wants to make sure he gets a contract. As a way of saying thank you for going up this. So as a business consultant, she called me on that she would try to get to me. So I made it difficult because it's been a long time. So I got to him. And introduced me. I said, the guy is great. I said, that's our big star, our big woman now. This is what is going on. She wants you to submit your documents. So as a consultant, he put no slides on me to prepare it. He said, it's like they pour cold water on my body when I had it because I just pictured the name. Soto Electronics Limited. Then I was still wearing Superman pants. I don't know on that way. So he told me it does not have. I thought he didn't understand, so I explained. I said, okay, for us not to run out, lost, rush down, let's see how can we start this very fast, let me get my lawyer address. So when he put in the name, they told him the name has been taken.
Yes.
Couple. He was looking at the game, I got saying before he left, I've been using this name, he took it. Do you know all the Somto options in drugs? None. Well, all of them have been taken.
Wow.
So as I'm living here, I'm thinking of registering a company called King Smash.
Yes. Before you register it.
I want to register a company called King Smash. Because I'll just call my lawyer now. Tell them, secure this name for me, King Smash. Before you go there without your dream, the law will suspend. That is how dangerous it is once you don't recycle. Let me say this clearly. For the purpose of this law, ask me, having a registered company is not compulsory. I repeat, you do not need a registered company to access the law. Don't. But as more consulting, we are just encouraging you that your case should not be Assunto's case. By the way, to cut the long story short, he lost the job. He lost it. Job of over 700 million.
Wow.
He lost it. Please, are we together? The next, no, before I go into before I leave this one, I just want to advise. But for your fish business, all you need to do to register a business name is less than 10,000 or around 10,000.